does the dog say?
Woof.
Woof. What does the cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Turn the page. What does the pig say? What does the pig say? And the cow says... What's the cow say?
Moo.
Moo.
What is the hours?
What does the owl say?
What does the owl say?
Moo.
What does the sheep say?
Moo.
No, what does the sheep say? Ah, what does the donkey say?
Donkey.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw. What does the turkey say? Gobble, gobble, gobble.
The gobble.
Gobble. What's another animal? What does the froggy say?
Baby.
Baby. What's another good one? Oh, yes. What does the horsey say?
Nay.
No. What does the duck say? What's the duck say? Does it say quack, quack, quack? Quack, quack. What's next? What does the goose say? Honk, honk.
Coco.
Honk, honk. What does the rooster say?
Hmm.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cockadoo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Meh.
Yeah, and we're done. Nice hat.
Hello?
Dada.
Read that.
Are you going to read it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll read it one more time.
Mom.
One more time. What does the dog say?
What is that? That kid see Dada.
You can't see Dada?
What is Dada? Enough.
Oh.
You want to read the book again? No, 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 no. You're gonna crush your head if you do
He
that.
says that a bunch, and then I pop it back out, and he stepped on it again.
Push back